Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explain how to convert gallons to liters. This conversion can be quite handy, especially if you're dealing with liquids, whether in the kitchen, at the gas station, or in scientific experiments. Let's start with the basics. A gallon, often represented as gal, is a unit of volume commonly used in the United States and a few other countries. A liter, denoted as L, is a metric unit of volume used worldwide. Now, here's the key part. 1 gallon is equal to approximately 3.78541 liters. To convert gallons to liters, all you need to do is multiply the number of gallons by 3.78541. For example, if you have a 5-gallon container of water and you want to know how many liters it holds, simply multiply 5 gallons by 3.78541. That's a total of approximately 18.92705 liters. Let's consider another scenario. If you're at the gas station and you fill up your car's 15-gallon tank, converting it to liters is straightforward. Just multiply 15 gallons by 3.78541 to get about 56.77815 liters. And there you have it. Converting gallons to liters is a straightforward process. Remember that 1 gallon equals approximately 3.78541 liters. With a bit of practice, you'll become proficient at making this conversion, ensuring accurate volume measurements in different situations. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. For more informative conversion guides and math tips, be sure to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.